Hi kids, welcome back to our reading classes, and for today we are going to learn how to read the sound O words, the words of sound O. And before we start up with the words, I would like us to review the syllables of sound O. So let us read the syllables. Bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, ro, so, to, vo, wo, yo, zo. Well done, kids. Now we are going to go ahead and learn how to read the words of sound O, putting the syllable and the sound together. Bo, y, bo, y, boy, boy. Do, g, do, g, dog, dog. Ho, t, ho, t, hot, hot. Po, t, po, t, pot, pot. Box, 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 box. Fox, 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 fox. Do, t, do, t, dot, dot. Lo, g, lo, g, log, log. To, y, to, y, toy, toy. Co, t, co, t, cot, cot. Well done, kids. Now we are going to read through all the words that we have learned today and keep the practice going. Read with me. Boy, dog, pot, pot. Box, fox, dot, log, toy, cot. Thank you so much, kids. Keep on practicing and you will become the best. Bye-bye.